Good day everyone. Now I will discuss the biomolecular hierarchy of cells. First, what is biomolecular hierarchy? The levels of biological organization from simplest to most complex. Small parts combine to form bigger, more complex systems. Meaning to say, biomolecular hierarchy is the order of living things from the smallest part to the biggest part. Small parts join together to make bigger and more complex parts. The parts of biomolecular hierarchy cells are atom, molecule, organelle, cell, tissue, organ, organ system, and organism. Next, I will discuss the parts of biomolecular hierarchy cells. The level 1 and 2 is atoms and molecules. Atoms. Atoms is smallest unit of matter. Meaning to say, atoms are the smallest parts of matter. The examples are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. The next one is molecules. Molecules are made when two or more atoms join together. In molecules, there are important biomolecules. The first one is carbs or carbohydrates. Meaning is give the body energy. Example is glucose. The next one is lipids. It means help make the cell covering and store energy. Example is fats. Next is proteins, meaning do many jobs in the body like helping cells work and grow. Example, this is enzymes. And the last one is nucleic acids, carry the body's genetic informations. Examples are DNA and RNA. Next is level 3, organelles. Organelles, little organs inside cells made of biomolecules, meaning organelles are small parts inside a cell. Each one has a special job. The key ones are first, nucleus, controls cell, has DNA, meaning controls the cell and holds DNA. Second one is mitochondria. Powerhouse makes ATP, meaning make energy for the cell. Third, ribosomes. It makes proteins. And the last, cell membrane, gatekeeper, or controls what goes in and out of the cell. No organelles, no cell. Meaning is, without organelles daw po, a cell cannot work. Next naman po is level 4. In level 4, we have cells. Cell, basic unit of life. Meaning po, yung cell daw po is the basic building block of all living things. And there are two types of cell po. The first one is prokaryotic cells. Yung prokaryotic cells daw po is do not have a nucleus. Example po nito is bacteria. The second one po is eukaryotic cells. Ito naman daw po ay yung merong nucleus. The examples po are plant, animal, and human cells. And nakalagay po dyan, all living matter starts here. Meaning po nito is all living things are made of cells. Next po is level 5 to 6. Tissues and organs. Tissue, group of similar cells or grupo po ito ng mga similar cells that do the same job. Examples, muscle tissue and nerve tissue. Next naman po is organ. Yung organ daw po is made of two or more tissues working together. Examples po are heart, stomach, and liver. Dito naman po sa level 7 to 8, ito na po yung last ng part ng biomolecular hierarchy cell. Ito po is organ systems and organism. Organ system, organs working together. Meaning to say po, a group of organs working together to do a big job. Examples, digestive system and nervous system. In organism po, complete living being. Meaning po, ito daw po yung complete living things. Examples po, and you or a person, a dog, or a tree. Dito naman po, i-discuss ko why it matters and why is biomolecular hierarchy is important. First, the structure and function. Bigger levels do bigger jobs. Meaning po is, every part has a job. Small parts work together to help bigger parts do their work. The next one po is emergent properties. Meaning, a cell can live but an atom cannot. Meaning po, life starts with cells. One atom cannot live but many parts working together can make a living cell. And the last one po is basis of biology. Disease, genetics, ecology, all use this. It means it helps us understand life. Learning this helps us understand how the body works, how people grow, and why people get sick. And that's all po, sir. Thank you po.